Home Remedies presents Scrub your nose with a toothbrush and see what happens. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video, you will learn how to make a facial remedy at home that will help you clean your pores, wipe out the overabundance oil and keep your skin youthful and solid. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get complete information. And without any more wait, let's start. Everyone has unique skin types and all are treated with different treatments. If one works for the one skin type, maybe it might not work the same for the other. So it is always better to try some folk remedies rather than spending your money on various medications that don't give the promising outcomes. We all need to keep our skin healthy, regardless of whatever skin issue you are experiencing. If your skin pores are spotless and unclogged, you will not be affected by many skin conditions including inflammation, imperfections, dim patches, pimples, age spots and wrinkles, etc. Let's move on to making the remedy. Here's what you should do. What you need: a soft bristles unused toothbrush, 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, some warm water. Mint toothpaste is considered to be very helpful in clearing blackheads. The mint in the toothpaste will open your clogged pores and also kill any bacteria that may be present. Directions: your skin routine should follow this order. Wash your face thoroughly. Then, to open the pores, use a towel soaked in hot water to steam all the skin locations where you have blackheads. Combine all the ingredients in a bowl. Apply it on the areas where you have blackheads. Scrub the mixture using the toothbrush. After you are done with scrubbing, leave the mask for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse it with water and rub an ice cube over the area to close the pores. Repeat this every day. Make sure to moisturize your skin well after using this remedy. You will be amazed by the results and your skin will be cleaner, softer and smoother, and all the blackheads, inner dirt, whiteheads and dead skin cells will be removed. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.